So we have just completed example number 5 and there we learned so many things. Now let us watch a very sweet, short but still very useful example, and that is how can we play YouTube videos in our Lightning components. So sometimes when you create the home page, your users want you to embed any YouTube video there, and in that time this lecture will be very helpful for you how to do that. It's a very simple job. Let's see how can we achieve this. So here I have one component, YouTube videos. Let me open this Lightning component. So here it is. You can see I am using iframe tag, which is an HTML tag, to embed any YouTube video. So if I preview this YouTube videos component, then here it is. You can see this YouTube video, what is a CRM, right here.
CRM, yeah, it's a way to organize anything, really.
CRM is how you keep track of everything that you're doing with your customers.
Alright, so how can we add any new video over here? All you have to do is go to any YouTube video. Let's say this video I want to embed. What I will be doing is very simple. Just scroll down, click on share right here, and here when you click on share you can find this embed, and here just copy this text, copy this, and then you can go back to your Lightning component and paste it right there. So when you do that, just notice that in the end you remove this allow full screen attribute, and that's it. You are done. Just save it. You can select the width, you can select the height, you can select the URL. You can set it from 0 to 1. 0 means it's false and 1 means frame border will be there. So if I select it as 1, fine, and then allow autoplay or not, you can do all these settings and just save it. And let's see the preview. Let's update it. So here is the video. And yes, it has a frame border. It has the second one has the frame border. You can see that. You can play this and alright, so this is how you can play your YouTube videos in your Lightning component. That's it from my side. Thank you.